In today's video, I will show you the easiest way that you can buy Trust the Process meme coin. So make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump straight into the video. So the first thing that you will need to do is download the Moonshot app. The link will be in the description box below. The Moonshot app is very simple to use, plus it allows you to use your PayPal, your Venmo, your credit card, debit card, bank account to invest in meme coins, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And it is super easy. All you're going to see is a buy and sell button. So once you download the Moonshot app and you open it up, it will look something like this. Then you're simply going to go into the search bar that is on the very top. In here you can type in the name of the token that you want to invest in, or you can paste the contract address. Once you have done so, it will show you the token. You're going to see the chart. You'll be able to see if it's trending higher, if it's trending lower. But if you scroll down, you'll be able to see some more valuable information, such as the market cap, how many holders, when it was created. You'll be able to see the buy and sell orders and all of that important info. Once you have checked all the information and you decided that you want to buy some Trust tokens, then you're simply going to press the giant green button that says buy. After you press this button, you will enter in the amount of money that you want to invest into this meme coin. With the Moonshot app, you can invest as little as $1, or you can invest thousands of dollars. Just depends on how much money you have to play with. Once you have entered in the amount of money that you want to invest, you're simply going to slide the bar on the very bottom, and that is it. Your order will go through and will be confirmed, and now you will be an official owner of some Trust tokens. That is how simple and easy it is to buy Trust on the Moonshot app. As you guys know, meme coins are extremely risky, so definitely do your research before you invest in any of them. One other thing that I want to mention, Moonshot has thousands and thousands of different meme coins to invest in, from Bong to Chill Guy to Trust to ton of other ones. So you have plenty of time to decide which one you want to invest in. All right, everybody, that concludes the video. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Subscribe, smash the like. See you in the next one. Peace out.